Hello everyone. So in this video again we have a very interesting question for you pertaining to probability and a combination of probability and geometry in general. So let's take a look. A circle is circumscribed around an isosceles triangle whose two congruent angles have measure of x degree. Okay. 2 points are chosen independent, independently and uniformly at random on the circle and a chord is drawn between them. The probability that the chord intersects the triangle is 14 by 25. Find the difference between the largest and smallest possible value of x. Okay, so let's take a look. So, so here the probability of chord intersecting triangle, chord intersecting triangle is basically 14 by 25. So, therefore, probability of chord not intersecting triangle will be 1 minus 14 by 25, which in turn will give us 11 by 25. Okay. So the only way this particular thing, this particular condition can actually happen if 2 points are chosen on the same arc. So if they are chosen on the same arc, then the chances are almost nil that the chord will intersect the triangle. Okay, and having said on the same arc, they should be between two triangle vertices. Okay, so this condition will exist if and only if 2 points chosen are on the same arc between two triangle vertices. If I just write this properly. Between same arc and between two triangle vertices. Okay, so now the probability that the point is chosen on one of the arc opposite to the base angle is let it be smallest good difference of x. So okay, the probability that the point is chosen, say I say p, probability of the point is chosen on an arc opposite to the base angle, let that be x by 180 degree. So how we come at this? Because the total measure is 180 degree and the arc opposite it's already given to be x degrees. Okay, so arc opposite is of x degrees. So that's why we get this particular probability, and the probability that the point is chosen on the arc between two base angle would be nothing but say this is one of the angle. So if you talk about probability of the same chosen arc between two base angle, let p double dash would be nothing but total sum is 180 degrees. So both the base angles are equal. So 180, let the equal angle be twice x by 180. Okay, this is isosceles triangle, so one angle being x, the other angle will also be x. So basically, let me just give you a diagram. Say x, this is also x. This is 180 minus twice x. I hope this much is clear. Okay, so now these two are equations. Okay, so now we can actually represent both these equations as 2 into x by 180 whole square plus 2 into, okay, so my bad, 180 minus twice x by 180 whole square, which will be equal to 11 by 25. This is the probability of not intersecting the triangle. Okay, So if we simplify the same, what we have here is that x square minus 120x plus 4 equal to 0. So if we factorize the same, x square minus 84x minus 36x plus 3024 equal to 0. So which can be further written as x minus 84 x minus 36 equal to 0. So therefore x is 84 comma 36. And now find the difference between the largest. So this is the largest value and this is the smallest value. So largest minus smallest being minus will be 84 minus 36 and giving us 48 as our answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the process of the same. So we used the measure of simple probability and simple properties of isosceles triangle where both the congruent sides being congruent angles being equal, and simply we made simplification on a quadratic equation. So kindly go through the problem as such, try to go through as many times as you want in case you are having difficulty, and try to solve the question on your own with this video as a reference. So with that said, we have come to the end of the video and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.